Hello guys, in today's video we will learn about select function by using the Google Support and by using some datasets for this particular example. So first of all, I will go to spot.google.com/appsheet and here I will search for select command. Click on the first one, first result, and here I have some particular example. We will try to understand these examples with these dataset. In the first command, it is select students. What is this student? Students is the name of table. By default, if your dataset is coming from Google Sheet, the name of that particular sheet is taken as table name. The name of table of this dataset will be students. This dataset will also be stored as table and the table name will be orders. Similarly, the table name for this dataset will be products. So here it is saying that select from where the table name is students. Okay, we are here in students. First name, this is the column name that is closed in bracket. Okay, select students first name. Okay, we have selected that where this is true and false. This true is by default true, mean anything is, all of the things are true, or it is always true. It means we have no filter and all of these things have been selected. This is our result at present, and after that it is saying false. The third command is used for either we want unique values or not. So it said that we don't want unique values by saying false. If you want unique values, you have to write true. If you don't want unique values, you have to write false. As it is written false, we will get this list as the result in the drop down menu where we are using this function. In the next command, it is selecting students first name, class of 2020. Okay, go to students, select first name. Now after first comma, we have to write the condition. What is the condition? The class of column, the column name is equal to class of and the value is equal to 2020. So on Google Sheet, if I apply this 2020 filter, now these are the first name that will be selected. Why? I went to this table, I went to this column, and what is the condition? Class is equal to 2020. So in this case, I will get this list only. In the third command, it is saying true as well. In the second, it said false, but in the third, the change is only the false has changed to true. So what is the difference? Now we are requesting unique values. As for example, I have to assign the project to different person. I don't want the duplicate. I want the names to appear only once. In this case, we will get these three names. As Alice is coming second time, the Alice will not come twice. It will come only once. Now in the next example, it is saying that we have to go to orders tab or orders table because it is referred as table. We will call it table. Go to orders, order ID. Okay, we have picked order ID. Is there any condition? Yes, there is condition. The condition is this row dot customer. Initially in the first example it is true. If we will write true, we will get all of the order IDs. If we will write like product is equal to product 1, then we will get product 1 and product 1, so we will get 101. But here the thing is a little more different. This row dot customer, so the row that is selected at that particular moment in the app sheet where you have opened the form, it is taking this row dot customer. It is taking the customer name from that, then it will match that customer here. For example, that customer is Alice, then you will get 101. If that customer is Charlie, then you will get 104. So this is the dynamic. In the next example, select product name. So first of all, I will go to products table, the products table, select all of the names. Okay, now I have applied one more condition here, that is price is equal to less than 100. Price is less than 100 is, it is applicable in these two cases as price is 80 and 75. So now my list contain only two products and the condition is true. So if there is any duplicate product, that will not be selected. This is how the select function works. It is very useful in most of the cases when you are for example making your drop down menu, then it is very important and it is widely used in most of the cases. The select statement and the lookup. We will also learn about the lookup function in the next video, and further you can explore all of the other functions as I explained in the previous video using ChatGPT and using sport.google.com. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment if you have any particular concerns or if you want to understand any particular formula, so I will make a video on that as well.